Hello everyone. Today we're beginning week 5 of our course. So as you all know, we are only 3 more weeks to go. And as usual, I'm recording this video to help you set up your week. The first thing you gotta do is check the planner as usual. In the planner for the week, you have the description of all the material that you have to read. Um, Beginning with Andrew Lanford's text, genres in academic writing, and also the learning object that I wrote for you to help you understand the chapter a little bit better. In this week, we are uncovering the following topics: writing a 5 paragraph essay. We are writing the first 5 paragraph essay before you wrote or you're writing now. A 1 paragraph essay, which is a reduced version of a 5 paragraph essay with all the elements. In the 1 paragraph essay, you have a topic sentence. In the 5 paragraph essay, you have the thesis statement that resembles the topic sentence in the 1 paragraph essay. You have a limited subject, you have a claim, and you have the ideas in the blueprint. We are also using what we have studied before, MLA guidelines for citations. We continue doing text annotation and using pre-writing techniques, and then we're going to study the use of the semicolon and the comma. Before you saw the comma, and now we're going to continue with the semicolon and the comma, which are the exercises in the quizzes section and also in the self-assessment. Something new that you have this time is that you will have the second qualitative report. The second qualitative report is due for next week, but you should start considering what you're going to be including in this second report. My word of advice is that you focus on your encounter with MLA, your experience with the different exercises, the mistake you made, and so you're going to have the question guiding the report. But the main the target of our unit now is genres in general and the analytical genre in particular. So after reading and understanding the planner, you need to move forward and read the learning object. I'm encouraging you to read the learning object as early as you can in the week, and in the learning object, I'm making an introduction to genres, and I give you my impressions about the topic, and I use one of the articles that you're working with, uh, Jennifer Branner Cox. Everyone's a journalist, to show you the blurring of the lines in genres in academic writing now. As you have seen, we have studied the narrative essay or narration when you did your first writing assignment. You have studied expository writing, and now it is time to continue with the analytical essay analysis. It's important that you establish the difference between expository writing and analytical writing. And to do that, I recorded a video that will also appear here in the news wall of the course. It's a second video. It's important you watch this video because here I'm showing you an example of a thesis statement from an expository perspective, from an analytical perspective, and from an argumentative perspective. It is crucial for you to understand the difference between the three. So I don't want to take more of your time now. I'm inviting you to get involved as early as you can. Thank you.